Hello, everyone. I'm Jaimee Harris-Smith, Senior Education Manager from the Salon by Instyle, and we are in New York City. We are doing a photo shoot with Modern Salon, and I have one of my favorite people, one of my best friends, my best buddies here with me today.
Hi, I'm Darcy Falls.
So, Darcy, I'm here with you today. You have some great tips you want to share with us, and we cannot wait to hear them. So, let's get rolling.
Fantastic. So I love styling and creating updos and creating beautiful artwork with hair. And one of the things that I always ask myself is, when do I really use the appropriate pin to create my style? So for me, we have bobby pins, right? And we have hairpins, or in my world, I call these soldiers, right?
A soldier?
A soldier.
Okay, what's a soldier, Darcy?
A soldier saves my life. That's what it does. But the reason why I have the two is because the bobby pin is really going to create the anchor when you want to anchor the hair. And then the soldier hairpin, that's when you want to not squish or confine the shape that you've created, right? You've created this beautiful volume in your twist, and now you don't want to condense and collapse that. So that's where your hairpin comes into place. So
Darcy, another question. I'm sorry to interrupt you,
No,
but
of
what
course.
is that? Is that like an art kit?
This is my box of hair fun. I love going to crafting stores and getting organization kits, even if you go to a tackle box from a fishing store, anything that you can go and separate everything that you have. Because as you know, for shows, we need a lot of tools to get the job done. And this is a great way in order for us to conserve space in our suitcase, but still have everything we need.
This actually saves our lives. The organization, better to be prepared than underprepared. So overprepared is just everything you need. So I love that. The way you have that
Exactly.
organized.
It helps me keep a clean eye when I work, and I always feel when I have a clean eye, I can artistically create better work because I'm not searching for where's my bobby pins, where are my hairpins. I know exactly where they're at, and my clips all at the same time.
All right. Well, show us what you're doing today, Darcy. So you're starting. Tell us, what are you starting with? So you have a low pony.
Yeah, so I wanted to give my beautiful model, Amberly, here a very, very quick up style. It's a little warm in here. I want to create something fun. So I simply created 2-strand twists that I simply just pulled out a little bit in order to give them more definition. It still has structure, but a little unstructured at the same time, which is very popular at the moment. And so I created 3 of them. But when you start to take these, now I'm going to create a beautiful chignon with them. I go in, and this is where, for me, my soldiers save my life. Because when you're creating a look, you don't necessarily want to just start pinning everything into place. I simply use it as a placeholder. So I leave it half sticking out, see if I like where the hair is going. Because as you know, sometimes we want hair to go one way, but it wants to go the other, right?
Absolutely. So I love this. I've seen so many stylists create a look and then pull the pin out, and then their look and their shape is destroyed. So a soldier can help you just hold it in place. Love that.
Absolutely, absolutely. And then when you're creating looks like this, because I took 3 different pieces, I really want to have the opportunity to look and see where everything is going before I really do finalize and pin it into place. Because if I don't like where it's going, I'm not going to keep it there, right? I'm going to adjust it. And then I like to use the larger ones to really kind of pin it into place. And then once I think I like my shape, then that's when you can start to insert them, or you can readjust them so that they're hidden, right? And that way we still know that that hair is right where it needs to go. Now in the center, I'm going to swap out my larger one for a smaller one. And I really like having those ends as a part of it because I'm going to cover it up with my next twist.
Okay. So you mentioned hair being just kind of undone. So is that what's trending now?
It's totally trending right now, having a little bit of structure, but very undone looked, almost as if the client is doing their hair themselves at home, but we're really creating it for them and letting them have the structure that we would create as a stylist. And so once you have everything kind of pinned into place and you're liking your shape that you have, I still have another soldier saving my life down here, then I'm simply just going to finish it off with some hairspray.
And what are you using there? Oh, Reckon, Fashion Works. Oh, love it, love it.
This is one of my favorite hairsprays to use when creating styles because it's a really great workable spray. It's going to give me control over the hair, but at the same time, flexibility to move it because as you know, we want to still be able to adjust certain things but have the hold in place. And then I also use my last tip with my soldier because like I said, they save my lives. I go in and I use it when I'm smoothing out, right? A lot of times my hands are too strong, the tail of my comb might be too large for the area that I'm working, and then this way I can really use it to smooth and just kind of tuck areas that I want them to be more secure, and then if necessary, you could take it and place it right into your style as well.
Oh, love that. That is such a cool look. So Amber Lee, and our model today is one of our other National Artistic Educators, Miss Amber Lee.
Hi.
So we would like to invite you to follow all of us. So we're from the Salon by Instyle, and where can they follow you?
I'm Amberly Louise, XOXO.
All righty.
And you guys can find me at hairbydarcy_D.
And I would love it if you followed me as well, Hair by J. Smith. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye, everyone. Woo!